Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. You are locked to RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's roads. Green Wall. For best satisfaction, it is imperative that you hit the subscribe button and turn your notifications on to all so you will be notified on every occasion of a release. If this video added any value to you or gave you a new perspective, please let us know by turning the like button blue. If you have challenges enjoying the content on this channel, this is not the place for you, so save yourself the dysfunction and do that which you must. Need to say something to us? Use the comment and we will respond as appropriate. We want to hear your ideas and suggestions. As you share this week with us with your daily dose from the archives, it is the intention that it will bring you meaningful pleasure and enjoyment. Enjoy this exclusive with us. We will be starting on the Belvedere stretch, which is a little outside of Morant Bay, St. Thomas, and then we'll be working our way down to the Roselle waterfall. We will circle that area. Then in the next sitting, we'll be moving from the Roselle waterfall to the White Horses area. After that, we will be moving from Green Wall Development in Botany Bay. Then we will explore the area along the stretch, making our way to Pamphret, Yellowspan, Loudon Hill, and then touch down in Yellow Square. Then we'll update you more. This is going to be a journey, so enjoy and let us know what you think and if you see what we are seeing. Thanks for making it RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road. We have come to the end of this road momentarily. We will see you in a few moments so we can continue. If you are watching this video after the release and would like to continue on the journey with us, click on the suggested video that appears on your screen at this time. Signing out from RoadTripja, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road is Dr. A. Walk, ride, drive, and fly good.